Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Harmonia Hotel. May I have your name, please?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under Joyce. Can you please check?
Okay, ma'am. For a while, ma'am. Thank you, Ma'am Joyce. May I see your valid ID for verification? Yes. Ma'am Joyce, I found the reservations for a deluxe room, staying for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, Ma'am Joyce. What payment do you prefer?
I'll pay by card.
Okay.
Here. Okay, ma'am. Let me process.
For all, ma'am. Here, Ma'am Joyce.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon. This is room 210. Could I request 2 extra pillows? Also, the air conditioning in my room isn't calling properly.
Ma'am Joyce, let me confirm you need extra pillows and assistant with the air conditioner. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yeah, that's right.
Thank you for informing us, ma'am. I'll notify our housekeeping team immediately. Please allow us short time.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Ma'am Daisy.
Hello, housekeeping. Room 201 is requesting 2 extra pillows and needs help with the air conditioner. Please attend it to it.
Copy. I'll bring the pillow right away and check the unit. And I'll report back after. Thank you, ma'am. Housekeeping, housekeeping, housekeeping. May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, sure.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Here's your extra pro pillow, and can I check your air conditioner?
Yes, please do.
Ma'am, I've already checked the air conditioner, and it seems to look like need to a repair. So I'll just report this immediately to our engineering department so we can fix this issue immediately. Thank you, ma'am.
Alright, thank you for the quick action.
You're most welcome, ma'am. The engineering team will follow up shortly. Please let us know if you need further assistance. Good afternoon, ma'am. Room 210 requested 2 extra pillows, which I already delivered. And I also checked the AC but referred the issue to engineering for repair.
Good. Always remember to provide immediate solution when possible and refer concern to the right department. Well done.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Oh, good afternoon. Good job, Alcris. Question: if the guest becomes upset because the air conditioner can't be fixed immediately, how would you respond?
I would apologize sincerely, explaining that our engineering team is already informed and offer alternatives like a temporary fan or even a room transfer if needed.
Okay, very good. Always show empathy, provide others, and reassure the guests that their comfort is our priority.